Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create mind maps in Whimsical in 2026. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, planning a project, or organizing your thoughts, Whimsical makes the process simple and visual. So let's get started. First, open Whimsical in your web browser and sign in to your account. From the dashboard, click *** new board * and select Mind Map ** to create a new workspace. Now start by adding your main topic in the center of the canvas. This will be the core idea of your mind map. Next, press **tab* to create a child branch or use the plus icon to add new connected ideas. Yeah, you can continue adding more branches and sub-branches to build out your map. To keep everything organized, click on any node to edit the text, change colors, or rearrange the layout. You can also drag branches around, and Whimsical automatically keeps the connections neat. Once your mind map is complete, click the **share* button to invite others or generate a shareable link. You can also export your mind map as an image or PDF whenever you need it, and that's it. You've successfully created a mind map in Whimsical. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.